Hello guys, this is Problems Mean, and now I'm gonna show you how to fix the error. So I'm using toga. As you see here, I want to return a list of folders path, but it doesn't work. It gave me this thing, which is an class. So normally this is my function. This is widget select folder dialog, and here normally it should returns a folder, a list of folders path, but it returns that thing. And the way that will make the function return the list of paths is to add asyn, and here put await, and it should work fine. So I will try it again. Brief case div to test it. Now it should pops out, and here it is. Now I should do like this, and as you see, it returns the list of folders. And if you used for loop for this list, it will work fine for each folder path in the list of folder paths. Thank you for watching. See you in the next problem.